Yes, good morning. Good morning. Mahagada. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. What we have to discuss now? Tejal, what we are discussing in the class? Cone is done. Good morning. Tejal, are you there in the class? Cone is done. Cone volume and surface area. Cone done. Both exercises, volume exercise and surface areas exercise, both are done. Okay. Now sphere. Sphere is a solid which is having only one face. Which is having only one face. And it is nothing but it is nothing but a curved face. See this object? A spherical wooden ball. This is a spherical wooden ball. Okay. It is having only one face, which is nothing but curved face. So, in the case of a sphere, the surface area of sphere is nothing but curved surface area of sphere. So, surface area and curved surface area both are same in the case of a sphere, which is 4 pi r square units. 4 pi r square units. Okay. Now, if we see the volume of sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now, if we cut a sphere into two equal parts, one of the parts look like this. Okay, one of the part look like this, and we can name this part as hemisphere. So hemisphere is having two faces. It is having two faces. Okay. One is curved face, this one curved face, the other one is plane face, this one. A plane face is in the form of a circle. Plane face is in the form of a circle and a curved face. Okay. So a sphere, hemisphere is having two faces. Two faces. One is curved face, the other one is plane face. Okay. Now, this is about sphere. These formulas are about sphere. Now, we will see hemisphere. So, curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere is nothing but half the surface area of sphere. Half the surface area of sphere, which is 2 pi r square. Which is 2 pi r square. Now, total surface area of a hemisphere is nothing but curved surface area plus area of base. Curved surface area plus area of base. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square and area of base is nothing but area of circle. Area of base is nothing but area of circle. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. Now, volume of hemisphere is half the volume of sphere. That is half into 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is 2/3 pi r cube, which is 2/3 pi r. So these are the formulas that you need to by heart, because whenever necessary we have to use these formulas in problem solving. So you need to by heart all these formulas. Moreover, children, if you see here 4 pi r square, I will write it as pi into 2r whole square. 4 pi r square we can write it as pi into 2r whole square. Pi into 2r whole square. So that is pi, we know 2r is d. So for calculating surface area of hemisphere, surface area of sphere, for calculating surface area of sphere, we can use the formula pi d square also. Pi d square. Okay na? Either we can use, if we know radius of sphere, we can apply 4 pi r square. If we know diameter, directly we can apply pi d square. Surface area of sphere is pi d square if we know the diameter of sphere. Okay na? So these are the formulas that you need to by heart for problem solving. Now, the 9th B students are saying that your chapter is done for you. Chapter is done for you. Means the cone and surface areas are done. Is that right? I will tell you one situation. Okay. I will tell you one situation. I have a lemon in my hand. And I cut that lemon into 2 equal parts. Now I got 2 parts of the lemon in my hand. Now, can anyone say what is the total surface area of those 2 parts? Can anyone say? నా దగ్గర ఒక లెమన్ ఉంది, నేను దాన్ని రెండు ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ గా కట్ చేశాను. Now the one lemon is divided into two equal parts and I want the surface area of both the parts. Can anyone say? What is it? 3 pi r square. Rujay says 3 pi r square. Moksha says 4 pi r square. Vikramaditya 3 pi r square. I want answers. I want answers. Okay. Children, this is the lemon. You can see. This is the lemon. Okay. And I divided it into two equal parts. Now I am asking the surface area of these two parts. That is my question. I divided it into two equal parts. Now my question is, what is the surface area of both the parts? Means these two parts. You are saying it as 4 pi r square. Yes, by your friend. I am asking surface area of both the parts together. Yes. It is 6 pi r square. It is 6 pi r square, not 4 pi r square or not 3 pi r square. It is 6 pi r square. Okay. Now, we'll go ahead with questions in the textbook. First question. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 10.5 centimeters. Radius 10.5 centimeters. We need to find out surface area of sphere. Children, whenever it is given the dimensions in decimals, try to convert them into fractions. Fractions lo unte manaki easy avutundi simplification. 10.5 fraction cheppandi. 10.5. How can we write it as? Surface area of cone sphere not done. Surface area of cone sphere is done. Okay. Yeah. Take it as 21 by 2. 21 by 2. 10.5 is 21 by 2. See, ఎప్పుడు మనం ఇచ్చే రేడియస్ కావచ్చు, డయామీటర్ కావచ్చు, ముఖ్యంగా మెన్సురేషన్ లో మాక్సిమం we can consider pi value as 22 by 7 నా మాక్సిమం 22 by 7. కాబట్టి నీ రేడియస్ అవ్వచ్చు, డయామీటర్ అవ్వచ్చు, మాక్సిమం మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 7 లో ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది. అలా తెచ్చుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది. Try to do like that. See, 10.5 instead of writing it 105 by 10, write it as 21 by 2 because 21 is multiple of 7. Now the surface area is 4 by r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. See this 4, these 2 2's gone. 7 3's. So total 66 into 21. 66 into 21. Here you can apply the Sutra Udbadriyagyan. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 12 18. 12 plus 1 13. 1386 centimeter square. So surface area of the sphere is 1386 centimeter square. Okay na? So radius is itla. Next. Now second question. Find the surface area of sphere whose diameter is 3.5 meters. Diameter 3.5 meters. So So 3.5 in decimal form 3.5. What is in the fraction form? 3.5. Diameter is given 3.5 centimeters. So convert 3.5 into fraction. 35 by 10. 7 by 2. 35 by 10 is also right. 7 by 2 is also right. So surface area is pi d square. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 directly. Use pi d square, not 4 pi r square. Diameter in radius lo convert chesi malli cheyadam akkarledu, direct ga pi d square vesise. 7 7 cancel, 2 11s, so 77 by 2 centimeter square directly. Okay na? So third question now. Third question. Find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. Total surface area of hemisphere. TSA of hemisphere. Can anyone say? TSA of hemisphere. What is TSA of hemisphere? 3 pi r square. Correct. Where r is given 10 centimeters. So 3 into pi value given here 3.14. This problem lo pi value 3.14. It is given 3.14 pi value. Okay. So when pi value is specified, we need to use that one only. You cannot take 22 by 7 on your own. It was given pi is 3.14, you have to use it, 3.14. So here the answer is 3 into 3.14 into 100, 314. 3 4s are 12, 4, 9, 942 centimeter square. 942 centimeter square. Okay na? Next question. Question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeters to 14 centimeters and the air being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface area of balloon in two cases. See the balloon, air is pumping into it. Initially it was 7 centimeters radius and after that it becomes 14 centimeters radius. We need to find out the surface area of the balloon in both the cases. When r is equal to 7, when r is equal to 14. Both the cases you need to find out surface area. Do it fast. నువ్వు ఎవడో కానీ స్టూడెంట్స్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టడం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు, మర్యాదగా అయిపోతే మంచిది, లేకపోతే నీ అడ్రస్ నోట్ చేసి పోలీస్ కేసు పెట్టాల్సి ఉంటుంది. స్టూడెంట్స్ లైఫ్ స్పాయిల్ చేయడం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు కాబట్టి నోటుకు వచ్చినట్టు వాగుతున్న ఊరుకుంటారు, మర్యాదగా వెళ్ళిపో. అరే లేకపోతే వీటి అడ్రస్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటారా? వింటే విను, లేదా వెళ్ళిపో క్లాస్ నుంచి. Four pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 88 into 7 and here 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 176 into 14. How much? You can do. He is asking ratio of the ratio. Can you hear me? స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసి ఉంచారా అది? నేను ఆల్రెడీ సంజయ్ వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారికి చెప్పుంచాను. జస్ట్ ఆయన వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్ తీసి ఉంచమన్నారు. వాడు ఎవరు ఏ దేని మీద మీ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఆడియబుల్. ఎస్ జస్ట్ వాడు ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ పెడితే చాలు ఆయనకి. నేను ఎందుకులే పిల్లల్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టాను. ఆడాడు కూడా స్టూడెంట్ అయి ఉంటాడు వాడు. ఎందుకు వాడిని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టాము? ఎఫ్ఐఆర్ ఫైల్ చేస్తే లైఫ్ స్పాయిల్ అయిపోతుందని చూస్తున్నాను. శ్రీనివాస్ గారిని కూడా ఇబ్బంది. Am I audible? Am I audible, children? Okay. Next question. A spherical ball made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeters. Find the cost of tin plating it on inside at the rate of 16 rupees per 100 centimeter square. So this is also you have to find out curved surface area of hemisphere and multiply it with 17 rupees, 16 rupees by 100 meter square per 100 meter square. That is also not a tough question. I am leaving that one to you. Next, question number 7. You see, children, question number 7. Everyone in the textbook. Even 6th also easy. Find the radius whose surface area is 154. Find the radius. Okay. Now, question number 7. The diameter of moon approximately 1/4 the diameter of earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Earth, moon. Earth and moon. Let the diameter of earth is x units. Moon is 1/4 of this, that is x by 4 units. Let us assume diameter of earth is x units and it is given that diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. So moon diameter is x by 4. Now surface area of earth is pi d square, which is pi x square, and surface area of moon, which is also pi d square, which is pi x by 4 whole square. I can write it as pi x square by 16. Pi x square by 16. Now ratio. Pi x square moon surface area by earth surface area. Pi x square by 16 by pi x square by 1, which is pi x square by 16 into 1 by pi x square. Pi x square get cancelled, 1 by 16. So the ratio is 1:16. Ratio is 1:16. Understand, children? Okay. Next question. Next question. A hemispherical ball is made of steel 0.25 centimeters thick. The inner radius of ball is 5 centimeters. Find the outer curved surface area of the ball. See, if thickness is given, first initially we need to understand that ball is in the shape of a hemisphere. It is in the shape of a hemisphere. Okay. Firstly, since the thickness is given 0.25 centimeters, okay, we need that ball is having two different radii. One is inner radii, the other one is outer radii. He is asking to find out outer curved surface area. That means capital R. It should be found out by using the formula small r plus W. Small r is given 5 centimeters, W is given 0.25 centimeters. So totally capital R is 5.25 centimeters. 5.25 centimeters. Okay na? In order to find out outer radius, we need to add thickness, given thickness to inner radius, which is 5 plus 0.25. So outer radius becomes 5.25. Okay na? Now outer curved surface area is 2 pi capital R. 2 pi capital R, because ball is in the shape of hemisphere. Find out 2 pi capital R square. So 5.25 fraction, can anyone say? 525 by 100, 25 fours, 25 twos, 25 ones, 21 by 4. Understand? Understand, children? 525 by 100, which is nothing but 21 by 4. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. Simplify this one. We'll get surface area, outer surface area of bowl. Okay na? Next one. See the figure, children. Sphere is inserted . A sphere is inserted in a cylinder. See the figure properly. See the figure properly, everyone, in the textbook. A sphere is inserted in a cylinder. Now, from the figure, what you can say? Figure nunchi, what you can say? From the figure, he is asking the surface area of sphere, curved surface area of cylinder, and ratio of both. Surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of cylinder and surface area of sphere. We need to find out the ratio. Now, from the figure we can observe that height of cylinder is equal to diameter of sphere. From the cylinder, from the figure, we can say that height of cylinder is same as height of sphere. Height of sphere is nothing but its diameter. Height of sphere is nothing but its diameter. Sphere height ante emitra diameter. చూడండి sphere ఇక్కడ దీని height అంటే from here to here. So this is the height of a sphere. It is nothing but diameter of the sphere. That is what you have to understand. Okay na? So height of sphere is nothing but its diameter. So here height of cylinder is diameter of the sphere, and radius of cylinder as well as radius of sphere, radius of cylinder is same as radius of sphere. Height of cylinder is diameter of sphere. That is one we have to understand from the figure. And second one is radius of cylinder as well as radius of diameter of sphere is same as diameter of cylinder. Diameter of sphere is same as diameter of cylinder. That means radius of cylinder is same as radius of sphere. These two points we need to understand from the figure. Okay na? Now what is asking? Surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere, which is 4 pi r square, which is 4 pi r square. Now surface area, curved surface area of cylinder, we know it is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h, but h is nothing but 2r. When you simplify this, we get 4 pi r square. When we simplify it, we get 4 pi r square. Now surface area of sphere and CSA of cylinder, their ratio is nothing but 1:1. The ratio is nothing but 1:1. Surface area of cylinder, not sphere, and curved surface area of cylinder, both we got same, because height of cylinder is same as diameter of sphere. This is what you have to understand, children. Okay na? Now so surface area of sphere is done. We are going ahead with volume of sphere. Surface area of sphere is done. Now volume of sphere. Right. Volume of sphere, I told you, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and hemisphere volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube, half of it. Okay. Let us discuss the problems in the last exercise. Yeah. Find the volume of sphere whose radius. First question is direct question. It is direct question. Radius is given, you need to find out volume of sphere. Next, second question, Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter. Same. Second question is also direct question. Diameter is given, we need to find out volume. Diameter is given, we need to find out volume. Okay na? So from the diameter, calculate radius. From the diameter, suppose diameter is given 28 centimeters. Radius is 14 centimeters. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Simplify this. 7 twos. So 88 into 28 into 14 by 3. What is 88? When we multiply these two, we get 88. These two 28 into 14 by 3. Simplify that. You will get a volume of sphere. First two questions are direct questions. Okay. Now we move on to third question. Third question. The diameter of a metallic ball 4.2 centimeters. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 grams per centimeter cube? Density 8.9 grams per centimeter cube. Diameter is given 4.2 centimeters, then radius is 2.1 centimeters, which is 21 by 10 centimeters. He is asking to find out mass of the ball. He is asking to find out mass of the ball. We know mass is nothing but volume into density. Physics lo ganandi okasari. Mass is nothing but volume into density. Okay. So first we need to calculate mass of the ball. No, volume of the ball. Volume of the ball. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Four by 3 pi r cube. So observe here children, 3 into 7 21, 121 gone. మీరు కంగారు పడిపోయి ఈ టెన్స్ ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దాం మాకు టేబుల్స్ బాగా వచ్చని కంగారు పడిపోదు. ఓకేనా? చక్కగా డినామినేటర్ ని 1000 అలా ఉంచేసేయండి. Because division is easy with multiples of 10. Numbers with multiples of 10. Division by 100 అన్న by 1000 అన్న by 10 అన్న division easy అయితే. కాబట్టి మాకు బాగా 2 టేబుల్ బాగా వచ్చు కదా, 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just 10 into 10 into 10,000 అట్లా ఉంచేసేయండి. Now multiply the numerators. These two 88 and these two 441. First multiply 88 into 441. Do it children. 88 into 441. First how much? 88 into 441. 38808. 38808 by 1000. So it is 38.808 centimeter cube. 38.808 centimeter cube. Okay. Now mass is equal to volume 38.808 into density 8.9. So multiply that and tell me the answer children. Somebody says 345.39, 345.32. Which is right? Point 391 is right.
Yes.
So maximum student says that 345.39 grams. That is answer. Okay na? Next question. Same. Moon, Earth. Earth, Moon. The diameter x. The diameter x by 4. The radius x by 2. Radius x by 8. In order to calculate volume, we need to have radius. In order to calculate volume, we need to have radius. Na? Diameter of Earth x units, then radius is x by 2 units. Diameter of Moon x by 4, 1/4 of Earth x by 4, then radius is x by 8. Now, children, calculate volume of Earth and volume of Moon fast. Volume of Earth and volume of Moon fast. Don't give any value for pi. Keep pi and pi itself. Don't give any value. 22/7, 3.14, unnecessary. Four by 3 pi. లేదా డైరెక్ట్ ఇట్లా చూసుకోవచ్చు చక్కగా. Moon diameter 4 by 3 pi. Moon volume 4 by 3 pi r1 square, r1 cube. Moon by Earth. ఇదేగా మనకు కావాలి. Moon volume 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. ఇది 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi get cancelled. r1 cube. r1 cube is x by 8 whole cube. r2 cube x by 2 whole cube. x cube by 512. X cube by 8. When you simplify this, x cube by 512 into 8 by x cube. X cube get cancelled. 8 1 there, 8 64 there. 1 is to 64. 1 is to 64. Volume కూడా ఇంత కష్టపడి కనుక్కోకర్లా. This is unnecessary. ఇంకా తొందరగా అయిపోతుంది. వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ మూన్ 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. This is r1, let it be r2. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi get cancelled. r1 cube by r2 cube. X by 8 whole cube. r1 is x by 8, r2 is x by 2. Simplify the ratio, you will get surface areas ratio ఎంత వచ్చింది? 1:4. Volume ratio ఎంత వచ్చింది? 1:64. ఓకేనా? Next question.
How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter per 10.5 can hold?
Can hold. Diameter is given 10.5 centimeters. That is 21 by 2 centimeters. Then radius is 21 by 4 centimeters. Mundu fast ga rasesko. And what is asking? How many liters of milk? How many liters of milk can a bowl hold having a certain radius? Okay na? Liters. Mundu dani sangatı telusali. 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. Dimension is given, radius is given in centimeters. Radius is given in centimeters, children. And how to convert from centimeter cube to liters? This is the scale. 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. Okay na? Now volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemispherical bowl, spherical bowl. Hemisphere kada ante 2 by 3. Sorry. It's a 2 by 3. So 3 7s are 21 get cancelled. 2 2s, 2 11s. So total 11 into 21 into 21 by 4 into 4. This is volume. Four nine five one, 4951 by 16, correct. Centimeter cube. Now convert this from 4951 by 16 and how much? How much it will be? So convert into liters. Next question. Next question. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thickness. If an inner radius is 1 meter, find the volume of iron used to make the tank. Children, volume of iron is nothing but volume of hollow volume of iron used to make the hemisphere is nothing but volume of hollow hemisphere, which is 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Note down this formula. Two by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Volume of hollow hemisphere. అంటే దానికి ఇన్నర్ రేడియస్ అవుటర్ రేడియస్ డిఫరెంట్, నాట్ 4 by 3. హెమిస్ఫియర్ కదా, హెమిస్ఫెరికల్ ట్యాంక్. సో స్మాల్ r is given 1 meter, which is 100 centimeters. Thickness is given 1 centimeter. Then capital R is equal to small r plus W, 101 centimeter. We have small r and we have capital R. Substitute the values and simplify. 2 by 3 pi capital R cube is equal to capital R 101 cube 100 cube. Simplify this, children. A cube minus B cube formula undi.
దీని వేదిక 101 cube. 101 plus 2 into 1, 3 into d 1 square 1 cube. దీని బేస్ 100 గా తీసుకుంటే ఓకే డీవియేషన్ 1 అవుతుంది. మీన్స్ deviation means how much this number is greater than 100, which is 1. So 101 plus 2 into 1 slash 3 into 1 square slash 1 cube. So this is 103 03 100 kada 03 01. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1030 01 103 1030301 minus 1 followed 6 zeros. 1 followed 6 zeros. 1030301 101 cube. Okay. When you simplify this, 44 by 21 into 30301, multiply and simplify. 101 cube to 102, not only 101, 105 cube aina ante. 105 cube. 105 plus 2 into 5, 3 into 5 square, 5 cube. 2 5 are 10 అంటే 115 75 125. ఇక్కడ 3 డిజిట్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఇటు మూవ్ చేయి. అంటే ఆన్సర్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 115. ఈ 1 ఇటు వచ్చి 76 25. సో 105 హోల్ క్యూబ్ 115 7625. నిఖిలం సూత్ర, యూజింగ్ నిఖిలం సూత్ర. అంటే సింప్లిఫై అంటే బేసిక్ దగ్గరగా ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ ని క్యూబ్స్ ఎలా ఈజీగా చేయాలి అనేది కాన్సెప్ట్ వేదగణితంలో. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. So what is the value of 44 into 30301 into 21 by 21? Simplify it and find the value. Yeah. So remaining questions are all easy only. Just one question is there. I want to explain the ninth question. The remaining questions are direct questions only. See the ninth question, children. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a big sphere with surface area h dash. Find the radius of new sphere and the ratio of surface areas. This is what an important question. Okay na? Conversions. Evaluating level question. See. 27 iron spheres. Iron spheres, they melted and recast into a big sphere. 27 iron spheres, they melted and recast into a big sphere. We don't know its radius. Okay, but we know radius of these spheres is smaller. Okay. These small spheres are melted and recast into a big sphere. Okay. We need to find out the surface area of the ratio of surface areas of small sphere and big sphere. Okay. Now, since these many spheres are melted and form a big sphere, So volume of 27 spheres is same as volume of big sphere. That is what you have to understand. 27 చిన్న చిన్న spheres ని melt చేసి they form a big sphere. That means volume of 27 spheres is same as volume of that big sphere. ఇది కావాలంటే మీరు రోజు చూడండి, మనం స్నానం చేయడానికి బకెట్ నిండా నీళ్లు తీసుకుంటాం, కానీ బకెట్ ఎత్తిన పోసుకోగా ఏం చేస్తాం, ఆ బకెట్లోంచి జగ్గులో నీళ్లు తీసుకుని స్నానం చేస్తాం. అంటే ఏమిటి అర్థం? హౌ మచ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు బాత్ ఈ సేమ్ యాజ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ బకెట్, అంతేనా కదా? లేదా వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ జగ్స్, సపోజ్ ఒక బకెట్లో ఉన్న వాటర్ అంతా సపోజ్ 15 జగ్స్ వాటర్స్కి సమానం ఉంది. సో వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ 15 జగ్స్ ఈ సేమ్ యాజ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ 1 bucket of water. In the same way, 27 spheres volume is same as volume of big sphere. You have to understand it. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. 27 r cube is capital R cube. Then capital R is cube root of 27 r cube. 27 r cube is capital R cube. Then capital R is equal to cube root of 27 r cube, which is 3r. And the radius of big sphere is 3r. Now, surface area of small sphere 4 pi r square, and radius r kada. And surface area of big sphere 4 pi capital R square. But capital R is nothing but 3r. So 4 pi 3r whole square, which is 36 pi r square. 36 pi r square. Now ratio 4 pi r square by 36 pi r square, 1 by 9. So the ratio is 1:9. Understand, children? 1:9. ఇంకా మిగతా క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని చిన్న చిన్నవే, డైరెక్ట్ వాల్యూమ్ ఇచ్చే లేదా రేడియస్ ఇచ్చి వాల్యూమ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం, లేదా వాల్యూమ్ ఇచ్చి రేడియస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం, దే ఆర్ డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, సో విత్ దిస్ the chapter is done and we have left with only one chapter, statistics. And that too is, it is having only one exercise, I think. It will be done within 2 to 3 days. So our 9th class syllabus will be done in 3 days, coming 3 periods, whatever it may be. 3 periods lo syllabus అయిపోతుంది. Then onwards we'll start revision. Revision ki meer andaru next week kalla ఆస్వాల్ శాంపుల్ పేపర్ బుక్స్ అమ్ముతున్నారు జ్యోతిలో గుప్తాలో. ఓకేనా? శాంపుల్ పేపర్ బుక్స్ కొనుక్కోండి అందరూ, బికాస్ రివిజన్ మీన్స్ మాక్సిమం ఆన్ శాంపుల్ పేపర్స్ చేయిస్తాం, శాంపుల్ పేపర్స్ చేయిస్తాం. కాబట్టి బీ రెడీ విత్ దట్. యాజ్ ఎర్లీ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్ ట్రై టు బై శాంపుల్ పేపర్స్. అండ్ ఆర్ఎస్ అగర్వాల్ క్లాసెస్ అవుతున్నాయి రోజు, మండే టు థర్స్డే. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు దాంట్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. 9th A వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవ్వాలని చెప్పాను కంపల్సరీగా. బట్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ద అటెండెన్స్, హూ ఎవర్ కమింగ్ అండ్ హూ ఇస్ నాట్ కమింగ్, ఐఎమ్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ఇట్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ స్టూడెంట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ 9th B, you can join for RS Agarwal classes also. I think 1 or 2 students are already joining, your wish. So with this I conclude this chapter. And next chapter is statistics. Oswald sample papers. Oswald sample papers. For class 9, bound type papers, bound type. Okay na? Okay, dhanyawad. Thank you very much, children. Thank you very much.
You can leave now. Thank you.